Hey guys, it's Amy from Chic Studio. So I wanted to share my favorite products for July with you. I've got 5 must-haves. My first is the Milk Makeup Holographic Stick. I love this product. I put it all over my cheeks and over my nose. Gives you a beautiful highlight. Another one of my favorite products is the Brows on Point. I feathered this into my brows. Just gives a little bit of definition and a beautiful color. Another one of my absolute favorite colors is the MAC Lip Glass. I use this pretty much every day. This is Saint Germain. One of my favorite products that I'm absolutely obsessed with is the Air Flash from Dior. I wear this kind of all over my skin and I just buff it in for a really beautiful airbrush glow. Last but not least, I'm obsessed with this Kapari Coconut Body Glow. I put this all over my skin in the morning. It lasts all day and just gives your skin a buttery glow. Those are my favorite July products.